How to make icons transparent on iPhone 17 Pro Max. So let's start the video. First of all, just click and hold any app. Now here click on edit home screen. Now here click on edit. Now here you will see second option is customize. So click on customize. Now here you will see dark clear, so click on clear. So after click on clear, go back to home screen and click on screen. You will see your app icon is transparent. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can make icons transparent on iPhone 17 Pro Max. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.